I'm on my train to the mountains and I'm terrified. Not because I've not been there, but because I've been there. Because I know about the altitude, I know about the temperature, and I know what it does to me. Even Shimla gives me a headache because of the altitude. I'm a tropical coastal girl. But that being said, but that's not the most terrifying thing that is going to happen on this trip. It's my first trip as a content creator, someone who create content based on traveling. I'm terrified if that will work or not. This is the first time I'll be doing some shoots live. It will be my first time. If this doesn't work, this will be my last time. But it's just that I get to travel, I get to experience things, I get to spend time with the locals. That's the good side of it. Even if this doesn't work, this would be a great experience for me. It has to be because I'm spending the last bit of savings that I have on this trip. If this doesn't work as it planned, everything, I'll need to figure out what I'll do again. So that being said, come along with me. I'll be taking you with me to the high mountains once again. If you have been following me, you have seen this Pity series has been going on, you'll get to see that live. How about that? That will be one of the best thing that will happen, right? And if you can imagine from where you are from, but I can't imagine in this temperature. But it is snowing right now in Spiti, and it's all white. I'm excited as well as terrified for the experience. So let's see how it goes. Stay with me.